that we have for this film, and that Conchita Hernandez is masterly, and with all the rest of the team is conducting. But I feel that there are some goals that are specifically that, of course, we would like to advance some policy. Of course, we would like to. I personally don't agree with the narrative of the deserving immigrant versus the undeserving immigrant. I try to stay away as much as possible from it. But in reality, sometimes I feel that films related to the undocumented community is more for like the people who I don't know, it's for the people who can vote, and I don't know, to feel sorry, or I don't know, sometimes I felt that way, to have them be our voice. But I, at least mine, the intentions is to celebrate the community, to celebrate the resiliency. When people tell me like, oh, the protagonist, I usually chuckles because I never have seen myself the protagonist. I actually, to me, the protagonist is the community, because without the community, I wouldn't be here. So, and it's just like, to me, it's rendering tribute to the community, to the power of resiliency, and how it does take a village to raise a child. So, if there are people who were in that film were not part of my life, I wouldn't be here. Period. So to me, this is more about a celebration to them than anything else.